I'll get right behind it.
He walked right in front of us.
What?
He's mad at me because I told him to move and he turned away. Where did it hit? Did it move?
Probably.
Did the car move?
Oh, that's a bunch of little holes in there, huh?
Yeah. There. There's your problem right there.
Man, oh man.
Yeah. All the way through.
That'll do.
Think of What's up with that?
That was great.